doctors, I'm Tanet. Wait lang.
Ano?
Wait lang. Good morning, doctors. I'm Tanet, your TM from Veritas Pharmaceutical. With me are Mr. Ronnie Pineda from Pampanga area and Ms. Cesar Batara from Muntinlupa area. Doc Santanila. Good afternoon, doctor. I'm Tanet, your TM from Veritas Pharmaceutical Company. And here with me are Mr. Ronnie Pineda and Ms. Cesar Batara. First and foremost, doctors, I'd like to thank you for giving us this opportunity to introduce our product and our company, Veritas. Doctor, Veritas came from Latin name, which is true wealth. And as we all know, doctors, health is wealth. And speaking of wealth and health, we are created by our company to serve the Filipino people in giving wealth and in delivering health and wealth. And to give you some information, doctors, our company was born last September 2014 and officially registered with the B5 and BR. Our corporate office is currently located at Pasig City. This is our operating principles. What makes us different, doctor? We are continuing striving offer to you doctors to give you the latest data, material studies, and also to give you guide in the management of your patients. Part of our mission is we're not just only dedicated ourselves in providing a quality medicine, but also to enhance the lives of people and to improve the way they live every day. And as part of our quest is we are providing a high quality pharmaceutical product and to give you an opportunity in e-business. And through your support, doctors, Veritas Pharmaceutical will be the first e-promotion in e-detailing. Because we believe, doctor, that we realize, doctor, that you value your time. And because of that, we realize also that in the process of technology, we will be constantly with you and at service. Our partners is someone who has created a reputable name. Lupin Pharmaceutical. Lupin is one of the most leading manufacturing of drugs combating tuberculosis, bacterial infection, and cardiovascular disease.
Hello?
And through their continuous researching through their continuing research and developing new chemical entities, you can see that they are employing 180 scientists with over 132 patents. As we can see, we are guaranteed delivering the best quality of product. As you can see, these are one of their backup files, which is the successfully USFDA certification for 11 manufacturing facilities and Asia's only USFDA approved fermentation plant for rifampicin and a World Health Organization certified finished product manufacturing for facility tuberculosis product. Doctor, as you can notice, we always emphasize the word USFDA because we all know, doctor, that having a certification